Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA now at around 65 cents. Already pumped, no, not pumped, but increased quite a bit from where we were earlier today at just below 60 cents. So together with Sand, this gaming crypto coin is moving up. And to be honest, it's really an amazing project. I started to look into these games, bought a couple of NFTs for one of these games, and it's just amazing. And I think as an investor, if you invest in these projects, it's actually worth having a look how these games work. And just, you don't need to start gaming really, but maybe get a feel for it, see if it's fun. And to be honest, they are really fun. And that makes me even more confident in this cryptocurrency, even though, yes, it has moved massively. And to be fair, on this channel, we are quite late with it. And I only looked at it a few days ago because you guys asked me to. And I've really shied away from it because I'm already covering Mana and Sand, but it was a right decision, and I can only thank you for it, because GALA Games is great. The games are great and the concept is great, and I think the whole concept, the whole ecosystem really makes people stick to these games. And you know, there are rewards, there are it's a really cool way of gaming, and then earning those cryptocurrencies, those tokens, you know, as rewards, which will then make you even earn more. So that's fantastic. And I think the more games that are coming out, because they are working on more games, the more popular will this become, and the more the price will go up as well, because there are pretty much only 2 games out to play now, but I think they're working on 4 in total, if not more. But those additional 2 will still come out, and if they come out, and they will come out, then this will boost the price more, in my view. So that's just my view. Currently looking here at this ascending trend line, I did say, I think in my last video, that we could come down a little bit more, maybe touch that trend line where we did come down more. I think we didn't quite touch that trend line, but overall we came really close. And today we are starting to go up again together with Sand. This though is not convincing yet. You know, we are moving up, yes, but we're not making higher highs yet. You can see where the resistance level is here. It is pretty much here at this, $67 level, I would say. You know, we can't really get through that one. Let me just change the color of these lines here. Don't really want to make them that massive, but I think this is a resistance level that you've got here, and then obviously here at the top a 77 or 76 cents as well. So it's pretty much a zone. I think we need to get through here to make higher prices. I mean, we made a double top here, came down really. However, this could just be I don't know, it's not convincing yet. So if we fail to make a higher high here, I think we can really come down to that trend line. That could take us down to maybe 52 cents, 53 cents. Overall, however, expect high rising prices going forward for this cryptocurrency, even if we might have another short-term drop. Key support here, first of all, before we get to this 52 cent level, is 57 cents. That is that previous low where we had support as well. Also, we had a high here, so this is pretty much the same level at around 57 cents. That is key support, but below that you have this trend line, this ascending trend line at today, 52 cents. So if we drop, we should be coming to that level. Actually, no, it's a bit higher. It will be at around, no, it's 52. Yeah, it's 52 cents. So obviously ascending trend line. So going forward, this should really go up as well, this support. What is important to note though, we've got these horizontal resistance levels, and you've got an ascending trend line coming up in a bull market, in an uptrend. That indicates obviously, or shows, that we are also forming an ascending triangle here. So that could push prices up higher. On the 4-hour chart, we're not overbought at all. You can see that here on the RSI here, we are over the 50 line. So found support at the 50 line on the 4-hour RSI. And we've got a lot of scope here to the upside on the short-term point of view. Also, we are probably going to have, if this is continuing and not turning around, going to have a bullish cross here on the MACD, which is another buy signal. But this is only on the 4-hour chart, so a short-term perspective. If we take a look on the daily, you can actually see that we are still overbought here on the daily. That's why I generally actually expected us to come down a little bit more and possibly have a little bit of a longer correction or sideways move. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get that. However, in the short term, it's looking like we're going to go up a little bit more. But at some point, you will have to have a more significant correction, because we're just massively overbought again. I think it's, I mean, I did buy at 60 cents. But for everybody who's interested in some short-term gains, I think gains, it is quite risky though. It is quite risky because we are just so much overbought on the daily. I just want to mention that. But I also see it as a long-term investment. I want to look into these games. To do that, you need those GALA tokens, GALA coins. and that's why I bought. I'm starting to dollar cost average in. I think this could really go up much higher. There's no reason why we couldn't get 2, 3, a 4, and a 5x from here, especially if these other games are coming out. People need to buy these NFTs, or they don't need to, but they can do. And at some point, you might actually need those GALA tokens to actually play the games. At the moment, in the beta version, it is all free. Maybe they will remain free, but then I guess people will be incentivized to buy those NFTs, which then eventually will increase the demand for those GALA tokens as well. You can buy GALA on KuCoin. That's where I did it. Don't know, there are probably more other exchanges like Binance where you can buy it as well. I think you can buy it. Let's just check it. Or FTX, Coinbase even. So yeah, the biggest exchanges have listed GALA, and will remain more and more popular. The more people are actually understanding how this works. And I'm amazed. I mean, I haven't really looked at it before. I only looked into Mana really in terms of trying it out. But I tried it today, and it's highly addictive. It's fantastic. I really like it. Don't really have too much time to do gaming, but my little ones will probably do it. Just need to make sure they don't spend all the mana in the shop for NFTs. But yeah, overall, I think we could come down a little bit lower here. We've got key levels of support though, but overall, I think that the ascending trend line is going to push it up over the next few weeks and months, and we can expect much higher prices for GALA. Overall, I think, even though it's looking like we are quite late, but overall, I guess if we are looking forward in a few months' time and we are zooming out, this will be only the beginning. And I hope it will be, but I also think it will be, because the whole gaming niche is going to go up even more, and it's getting a more and more popular project. So there will be more nodes. People buy those nodes, they can participate in that, and by running such a node, they will be able to earn GALA as well. The price for those nodes is going up though, continuously. So yeah, but it's getting interesting, and I'm really interested in this project. And I did wait until we had a retracement to buy. Not a massive retracement, I must say, which is why I expect more, because here again, we don't even have an RSI on the weekly, but on the daily we are still overbought. And if we had something on the weekly, I'm sure we would be massively overbought. That's pretty much GALA. Really impressed by the project. Again, positive about it, and expect rising prices in the next few weeks and months anyway. So I see it long term. Hopefully you liked that update video about GALA. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.